Hi, I'm Mark with the NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com. Today we're going to do a little rendition on the history of the Genie Company. The Genie Company is the manufacturer of the Genie operator and is really in most circles synonymous with what a garage door opener is. The Genie Company got its start in Alliance, Ohio in 1923. 1923, garage doors were in their infancy and there were no openers. The original products that Genie made were toys and electronic components. And in the early 50s, they started to show an interest in making a garage door opener. In 1954, they perfected the garage door opener and brought it to market, and it was a huge success for them. Soon after they perfected their garage door opener in 1954, they came out with the screw drive unit, which was the most popular and is still made today. There again, they were made in Alliance, Ohio, and they made them by the millions. They're very, very popular. The Overhead Door Corporation, headquartered in Dallas, Texas, is probably the world's largest manufacturer of garage doors. And in 1994, when they purchased them, they redesigned some of the units and modernized some of the units. And we have today what is known as the Rolling Code series of openers that they sell. The Rolling Code openers refers to the radio controls, which have a higher degree of security than the older analog units. Some of the newer products that are hitting the market today are the ability to operate your garage door and monitor it with a cell phone. There's an app that you can connect to your cell phone through a Wi-Fi connection, and you can operate from a cell phone or computer anywhere in the world. That's just one of the newer innovations that Genie has pioneered and doing very well with. Because of our close proximity to them, as well as our volume that we create, we have a very good working relationship with Genie. And we enjoy a give and take type of relationship with their management where they talk to us frequently and vice versa. And it's been an enjoyable relationship and we're enjoying it.
Here at NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com, the first product we sold was a Genie product, and we're proud to carry the Genie Company products. We have the privilege to work very close with the manufacturer that is in our neighborhood of Ohio. The variety and reliability of Genie products have proven themselves to their clients with great customer service. At NorthShoreCommercialDoor.com, we'll help you find all the products and parts you need for your garage doors.